Hello, we hope you will enjoy this video. If you do, please remember to subscribe for free, like, ring the bell and comment. More details about these at the end. Colourful Easter eggs. How to colour eggs. It's nearly Easter and the teddy bears decided that they would like some colourful eggs. Not the chocolate kind, but the plain ordinary kind, only more colourful. Scary, Boo, Bubbles and Custard had an idea. They put together all the materials they needed. First, they needed eggs. At least one for each bear. Scary hard-boiled them, which meant putting them in boiling water for about 10 minutes and then letting them go cold. He was very careful doing that job. In the meantime, Bubbles and Custard gathered the other stuff they needed. They found bottles of red, yellow and blue food dye, some salt, some paper cups, a stirrer. They used an old chopstick, and something that would hold an egg, like a spoon. They filled the paper cups about half full each with water, then added about 20 drops of food dye to each, making a cup of blue dye, a cup of yellow dye, and a cup of red dye. They could also make other colours, like green, using yellow and blue together, or orange, using red and yellow, or purple, using red and blue. Then into each cup they added about a teaspoon of salt. Read a little further to find out the reason for doing this. When the eggs were completely cool, the bears very gently added them one at a time into whichever cup contained the colour that they wanted their eggs to be. They left the eggs in the dye for about 10 minutes. The longer you leave them in the dye, the darker the colour will be. The salt in the dye makes the colour set a bit better. The bears had to be very careful with the dyes because they wouldn't only colour the water and the eggs, but they would colour anything which touched them, so they kept their paws well away and used a spoon to drop the eggs into the water and to lift them out again, and made sure that they had some kitchen towel handy in case of any splashes. Once the eggs were the right colour, the bears left them to dry. They put theirs in egg cups for a while. They were very pretty colours, as you can see from the pictures. Boo was determined to have a blue egg, to match his fur of course, and was very pleased with the result. But Custard decided that he wanted to draw a funny face on his egg, so he used a pencil to draw one on. The eggs need to be kept in the fridge, but are perfectly all right to eat later, so the bears could have them as snacks over the Easter holiday. Yum yum. Why not try dyeing your eggs too? They could be a surprise treat for breakfast on Easter Sunday. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for free and our videos will appear on your YouTube homepage, making them easier for you to find. If you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button. Ringing the bell means you'll be notified about our new videos. Please also leave a comment. Comments and ideas help us to improve.